Oh my gosh. Guess what? Spice. You can't see? Alright, you can't see. Me I go read this for now. So me go up on Instagram a while ago and me see Spice post something on Instagram. Cause me go up on her page every day if you see if she go post something or some update about something. Me see one photo with her stand up like she a pray. It obviously says she not there here, so which part she take that? She post the photo and then she write, "Thank you, Jesus, for saving my life. Hey bestie, I am in a better space today to properly update you on my current health situation. I suffered a damaged hernia a few days ago that sent my body in spaces. As a result, I was rushed to the hospital for immediate surgery. As you know, I have been off social media for a while to rest my mental. So little did I know that during medical my medical secure, it was already been said that I had an heart attack. I was in a coma and I also died." She put the emoji where she hold up her hand, but none of that is truth. However, I am still recovering from what really happened. So thanks so much for all the prayers and concerns. Please take good care of yourself. Eat, live, love, laugh like it's your last day. I love you all so, so much. One only blue heart. And you don't know that a patwa, Gracie always ago be herself. So I guess this is no more jumping off a speaker box for me to tell to all the promoters that has a confirmed booking with me. Please accept my humble apology. Cayman, I know you was up next for the 25th of this month. However, I will see you at a later date. Any further information needed, there always a contact in my bio. The Queen loves you all. Oh my gosh. Deep breath. I feel relieved. Space. Thank God. Some good news. She can able to talk. And this is it. Me up on here because me never even done read it. Me say me have to do a video and update, because I don't know say me stress out over Spice. Spice I'm a G, and even though me don't know her. But me love Spice. I'm glad to see this. Every day I go up on Instagram, me go look for her to see if she posts anything, because there is so much things out there. I mean, I want to listen to all of this. I just want to hear from she, because sometimes you run with what people saying. It's just not right, And as me rightfully say, if it was even our body, she could do a fair body, she do what she want to do with it. But she should come with it, It's a hernia she have, and people are run with it, say she could do her body. But if a hernia, yes or no, that is her truth, and it is what it is. May I get a call? Adios, guys. Spice is okay.